Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the COLLATERIZE token. Ticker symbol is COLLAT. Now this token is trending number 10 right now in the Solana section on DEX Screener. Very popular project today. It's up 151% right now. Has millions of dollars of market cap and 24-hour trading volume. We're going to go over the information on the COLLATERIZE token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find this token on SolScan if you're looking for the charts and the price and all the statistical information. You can find this token on Bird Eye, DEX Tools, DEX Screener. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project at COLLATERIZE HQ on X. And by the way, I just started a new X, a new Twitter that you guys can follow that's going to have daily crypto posts on there. And I put the link for that in the description box down there. So at COLLATERIZE HQ, it says one platform to tokenize, trade, and transfer real world assets. Has a full link tree there that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. Their Twitter here has 3,608 followers, 24 posts so far on there. And if you go to the link tree there, the link tree is going to have a link to their webpage, their app. You can, it says download for iOS, DEX Screener chart, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Telegram link are all on the link tree there. So you're going to find all the links that you need. And if you're looking for the contract address, just click on the link tree and then click on the DEX Screener chart. And even from the DEX Screener chart, you can find the contract address, but then you could also find the SolScan on there, which also has the contract address. And then their webpage, you could also find it as well too, which is at COLLATERIZE.com, which is on the link tree. So if you're looking to get this token, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Solflare wallet, you could use a Phantom wallet, you could use a Trust wallet or a MetaMask wallet, and you could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or you could get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you'd go into the dApps, you would find RAYDIUM, and then using the contract address, you could find on the DEX Screener chart, on the SolScan, Bird Eye, webpage, etc. You would trade your Sol for the COLLAT token. Now, as far as slippage goes, I haven't seen anything talking about taxes, so you probably will not have to set slippage. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees when buying tokens off of RAYDIUM. And this token may also be available on other DEXs as well, like Meteora, Jupiter, Orca, etc. Now, as far as central exchange listings go, I haven't seen any pop up as of yet. It could be listed on central exchanges, but you could always follow the socials here and they'll give you updates, new partnerships, token listing announcements, you know, all that stuff right there. So I see a tweet here It says, hey team at Collaterize HQ, we'd love to have COLLAT listed on our exchange. Please DM us to discuss further. And that is from Ascendex. So maybe it'll be listed on Ascendex. I just saw that on Twitter there. I'm not sure if it is yet, but Ascendex is actually reaching out to them to have them listed on there. So that could happen. And there could be more as well. Now, if you follow the Telegram, it is at Collaterize Community. Only 83 subscribers on there so far. You can preview the channel before joining. But basically, this token here has a decent-sized market cap so far. $6.4 million market cap, and that's also their fully diluted valuation. They've been doing a lot of marketing today on DEX Screener. They're trending number 10 right now. This token was created on pump.fun. $498,000 worth of liquidity in RAYDIUM. And according to DEX Screener, 100% of that liquidity is locked and burned. 24-hour trading volume today is $2.2 million. Now, if you go to collaterize.com, they have links to download the app. They have blogs. You can check out blog articles. It'll take you over to Medium. It says, meet Collaterize, all in one platform to tokenize, trade, and transfer RWAs, which is real-world assets. They have news articles. One of them's called Introducing Collaterize. Another one's called Atomic Asset Management. The other one's talking about their testnet is now live. If you want to check out the testnet, they're saying it is available. But yeah, there's all sorts of different Medium articles. One specifically about the token called Collaterize Token, A New Chapter Begins. You could check that out as well. So yeah, tons of different stuff here. One platform to tokenize, trade. We believe the biggest challenge is bringing tokenized real-world assets mainstream for accessibility. So the tokenization of RWAs represents a transformative opportunity in finance, yet its mainstream adoption faces a critical challenge: accessibility. While the industry has predominantly focused on money market funds, MMFs, and cash equivalents for their superior liquidity, these assets have failed to engage non-technical users due to their complexity and limited usability. Though liquidity is frequently cited as the primary barrier to RWA tokenization, the core issue stems from accessibility challenges. The requirement to set up wallets to navigate decentralized applications like DeFi creates significant friction for average users, hampering the broader adoption of such technologies. Current solutions on the market tend to prioritize technological implementation over user experience, resulting in a landscape that excludes mainstream users. Introducing Collaterize. Since inception, we focused on building platforms that prioritize simplicity and usability while supporting diverse tokenized assets. Today, we're introducing Collaterize, a platform designed as a fintech front-end and DeFi back-end infrastructure connected to traditional payment services like Stripe. It integrates with Web3 services such as lending and borrowing to seamlessly interact with core banking infrastructure, as well as permission decentralized apps and smart contracts through APIs. So they have the collateralized protocol, which serves as our layer 1 infrastructure. The collateralized wallet, which functions as an integrated platform with a fintech front end and DeFi back end for asset management. And then they have the collateralized tokenizer module, which rounds out our core offerings by supporting both ERC20 and ERC721 token standards. And then they have the token as well. So lots of stuff involved in this project here. It's doing very well. It has over 70,300 transactions just today. Very popular project. Go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.